Tonight, I'm going to show you how to make Heath bars. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I love Heath bars, along with their confectionery cousin, the Skor bar. For the uninitiated, they're a bar of butter toffee dipped in milk chocolate. Nothing fancy, but they sure are a tasty treat, so I thought I'd make some for myself and show you how to make some for yourself. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Heath bars, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cold water, 4½ teaspoons of corn syrup, 1 3/4 sticks of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a dash of salt, and 2½ cups of milk chocolate. I also used a quarter sheet pan, a saucepan, a spatula, a thermometer, some precision dipping tools, a cutting board, and a couple of sheets of SilPat. Okay, let's make some candy. Place a sheet of SilPat in the sheet pan, spray the sides with cooking spray, and set it aside. Put the sugar, water, corn syrup, and butter in the saucepan and heat it on low, stirring until the butter is melted and the sugar is dissolved. Starting at a low temperature can help keep the butter from separating. Increase the temperature to medium-high and bring the mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally. Once it starts boiling, place the thermometer in the pan. Be sure it doesn't touch the bottom of the pan to avoid false readings. Let the temperature come up to the hard crack stage, which is 300 degrees Fahrenheit, adjusted for altitude. If you'd like your toffee a little softer, you can stop at 290 or 295. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the vanilla and salt. Be careful when adding the vanilla, as it may spatter. Pour it onto the lined sheet pan. Let the toffee cool for about 5 minutes, then use a knife to press score lines where you want to break the toffee. You may need to repeat this a few times to accentuate the scoring. Don't slice, as you may cut through your SilPat. Just press gently. Let the toffee cool completely, then break it along the scored lines. Previously, when I've made toffee, I just let it break wherever it wanted to. I wanted bars this time though, so I tried scoring it. As you can see, it worked quite well. Melt or temper the chocolate, then dip a piece of toffee into the chocolate, let the excess drain, then place it on a lined cutting board. Repeat with the rest of the toffee, then leave it on the counter to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. Oh, this is every bit as good as I remember it being. The toffee has a perfect snap, which you may have heard, and that amazing buttery caramelized flavor that I was looking for. And the chocolate, of course, adds its own layer of awesome. If you're a fan of the chocolate and toffee combo, you really ought to try these. Starting at a low temperature can keep the...